Today, Justin, I'm just going to show you a few things on how to update the site from the email that you've given me. So to get into your site, not sure how familiar you are with WordPress, but you just need to go to WP admin at the end of your site. That'll bring up login box. So if you wanted to add a new slider, just come down to the left here and click on New Design. And that controls a lot of the options and some of the styling. So there'll be a tab called Front Page Sliders. It might be collapsed, so just have a look in there and find it. So if you come down, you can change the speed of the transition. There's different styles, but we've set up number 4 for your site, so try not to change that too much. So if you click this Add Slide button, what that'll do is add another box for you to upload your image into. So now you've got number 6 down the bottom here. You can just click Browse and find an image. Just upload a file, and that'll pretty much, all you have to do is click Save after that, and it'll come up inside your sliders menu now. You can also add a link if they click on the slide itself to go to a certain page. So that's pretty simple. I'll just delete that one so it doesn't come up. Now if you want to update your gallery and add some videos, you'll need to go into the Posts menu. So these are all the ones that are in there at the moment. So you can edit those, delete them if you wanted to, just by clicking Trash. I'll show you how to add a new one, so you just go Add New at the top. You've got to give it a name, otherwise it won't show up if you've just been using numbers, but anything will do. So put a number in there. Whether or not it's an image or a video, you have to select a category over here. If it's an image, just click Gallery and go to Featured Image down here and click Set Featured Image. Just select your file. So once that's uploaded, just click Use as Featured Image and then just save all changes. You don't need to insert it into Post. And then you can just close that and then click Publish up here, and once it's set as a category as a gallery, then it should show up. So just check to make sure it's in there. Go to Gallery. Alright, so there's the image, the new one. So all the latest ones will sort of bump the older ones out behind them. So what I'll do is I'll just trash that now, so you don't want that on there. So go back out to all posts if you want to get rid of one. Just click Trash. Okay, so yeah, if you want to delete one, just click Trash. If you wanted to edit one, you can click the Edit button and it will show up. So the featured image will still be in there, so you can just remove that and re-upload a new one if you need to. If you wanted to add something to the video gallery, just make sure you have it uploaded to YouTube to start with. So give it a title. Make sure you've selected videos as a category, and we've added this little meta box for you to add your videos easily. So it's got a few little screenshots. You just need to get the embed code at the end. So I'll just find a video on YouTube just to show you how it works. So once you're in your video, there's a share button. It will come up with a link. Now it's just the end bit that you need, not the whole thing. So just anywhere from the /, just copy that and just paste it into this YouTube video ID, and that'll create a little thumbnail image of the video and then link to it. The video description, you can just put some text in and it'll come up underneath the title. So that's all you have to do, and you just click Publish, and that should come up in the videos section of the gallery. So now that's in there. the title is taken from this bit up here, so that's that bit, and then the description comes up under here. So you've got a fair bit of space. If you want to write a bit more about it, you can. And then the video I'll just live box up. So just remove that now and show you how it's select the images as well. You can just delete that fairly easily just by clicking trash. If you wanted to add a new page, I'll show you how to do that. So you just go to pages, add new. It's sort of like a post, but it just shows up a little bit differently, so give it a title. Now there are a few different templates you can use on the site. They're down over here, so depending on what sort of page you want. We use full width page, so it's wide as the other pages that are in there, but it won't have a sidebar. The default template has a sidebar in it, but we haven't really set one up for your site. But you can play around with the templates and find which one you like. I'll just put it on full width for now. So yeah, if you wanted to, not sure how familiar you are with WordPress, but if you wanted to add an image, you can just click the little uploader icon, select your file, try and find something small. And you can change the size of the image in here, the alignment, left, right, center. And you can insert it into post and it'll show up in there. So then you can just put text in underneath. If you want a heading, just wrap it in heading tags. So it's just H2. If you change the number, the higher the number, the smaller the heading. So H1's the biggest, H2's the next biggest. You just got to add a little close tag on there. So then you just click publish, and that'll add the new page to the site. So that's in there now, and you've got a title underneath. You obviously want it a little bit smaller, that's how you do it. The next step is adding it to the menu, so you just go to Appearance, Menus, then it should show up down here in the Pages sidebar. If you can't see a page, you might need to click View All and that'll show all of them, but most recent is the ones that have been created. So just click New Page, Add to Menu, and it'll pop up in over here, so that way you can move it around wherever you want it in order. So if you put it in line with these guys, it'll be on the main menu. If you drop it back a little bit, it'll be a drop down menu inside that, and then you can go even further, so like that. But I'll just put it on there for now. Just save the menu, and we can just visit the site and see that our new page is on there. If you wanted to edit some of the text on pages, just go into pages and they'll all be in here. Just find the corresponding one you want to edit. And there'll be a fair bit of code, but you should be able to just sort of, if you want to change text, just try and find the line of text that you're looking for. And try not to break any of the brackets because they may adjust the styling. If you click visual, it'll sort of give you a layout. Sometimes this can break the styling that's been put in place if you update it. If you run into troubles, there's a revisions thing at the bottom here, and you can look through older versions of the page and sort of go back and restore one that you want in case something happens. I think that was all that you were after, so yeah, hopefully that helps. If you have any questions or you need a hand updating it, let us know. I'll also send you the artwork for the sliders, so that'll be in your inbox.